Once upon a time, the words just flowed. But there are times when it just isn't happening. But tonight it has to happen. With deadlines and a performance tomorrow night, the pressure is real. Remember when writing felt real? When the lyric writing was fun? Like playing on a playground? Where did that go? How can you get it back? You want something fresh and new. Maybe new technology can help? Computers can do anything these days. Computers write lyrics, sure, but it all feels empty and soulless. Is this really you? I don't think so. You know deep down, you need something different, something authentic, something you participated in. So you seek out a place where real stories, real words are, where dreams and inspiration float through the air. In a corner, sitting confidently, sits someone who seems to understand you and your struggle. Part of you wants to leave, to stick to what is safe. But you choose to trust, to try something different. You sit down and share your struggle, the deadline, the emptiness, the fear of being fake. The old sage smiles knowingly. What if I told you that the secret isn't getting the words, but finding the words that were there in you all along? The sage plays simple games there in the pub, and real lyrics start flowing. And they're yours. Suddenly you're not stuck. You're creating, you're writing, you're you again, filling a basket full of lyrics. With this basket, together, you shape these authentic lyrical building blocks into something beautiful. At last, you've written a song that is amazing, compelling, and authentic. It is you, but it is new. The sage smiles. Anytime, he says. Now, you have a place to go to get inspired and find new words and perspectives whenever you want. And now you are an inspiration to everyone around you, and it's beautiful. Local Poet. Every song starts with a spark.